All right, so I have a project here. I got a nice wheelbarrow hill, but I stupidly threw big, say bricks fast 3 times. So, and I, ripped the hole. And I got rid of the pneumatic tires and Harbor Freight, man, upgrade $60. But so I got hard wheels. It's a great wheelbarrow, very stable. So I had a friend, I was gonna glue all this and fiberglass it and make a huge job. And I had a friend, Doug. His friends don't call him Dougie, so I ain't gonna say Dougie. I like Dougie, but he said zip tie it, man. So we're gonna use a soldering iron. We're gonna put some stitching, and we're gonna zip tie it and see what it looks like. Okay, so did some stitching with the soldering iron, and it looks like Frankenstein, but it seems pretty strong. I haven't cut the bottom tie racks off yet, but I do notice you're not going to be mixing anything with a shovel. You're going to catch those and break them. So unless you do form a new bottom, it's just going to be carrying debris or whatever, which this large volume one is. I have a smaller one that I mix in. So thanks for watching. Dougie!